Using the thermal camera, you can see some spots is getting hot. The chipset is normal, it's getting hot here. The MOSFET, this one here, the switching MOSFET is okay. If it get warm a little bit. This spot here, this is a switching DC to DC power supply. It's okay to get warm. And here in this area, right here, you can see the hdmi IC. It looks you can see the spot in the hdmi IC is hotter than anything else. Yeah, we need to check this IC here. So let's put some alcohol in it. And we watch how the alcohol move. Yeah, so there is a problem over there. Like this stuff. Now checking the capacitors here, see if any short. We have 560 ohm here. $670 ohm over there. 500 ohm over there. So in this conductor, we can check from this pin to this pin, it should be 0. Because it's just a coil inside it. Side is good. Yeah, these conductors here. From this side to this side, it should be 0. Have 0 ohm here. Zero ohm here. 0 ohm. And there is 0 ohm. Zero ohm. Yeah, this conductor is good. So I'm going to replace that IC. I have another IC to replace it and see how it's going. So before we have like half kilo ohm here, like 500 to 600 ohm, but look now, we have 10 meg, 10 mega ohm, 10 million ohm. Here 1 mega ohm in this capacitor. Here we have like 600 ohm. Now we have 10 mega ohm. Yeah, that sounds good. All right, let's plug it. And I'm going to use the original hard drive. And let's watch the TV. White light is there. Yep, I think I see some signal detection. Oh, look that lines. Maybe like the HDMI wasn't connecting right. Yeah, I think when I move it, yeah, the HDMI is the old cord. That's why. But we have the display now. Yep, and it's detecting the 4K TV, so it's good. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.